Hey guys, welcome back to Recipes with Ryan.
Yeah, today we're making. It's me.
Did you know that?
Today we're making red velvet cake. It's gonna be sexy.
That's the swaggiest cake.
The swaggeroni and cheese.
What do we do first?
We have the ingredients.
Whoa.
345 grams of cake flour, a teaspoon of baking soda,
Go on then, you do it, Mr. Small.
2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I'm just chucking a bit more.
Half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup or 115 grams of unsalted butter.
Say in grams, no one uses cups.
Well, I know, the Americans. 400
You get all
grams.
the
Nobody in
American
America watches
sugar.
my channel.
How do you know?
I
If
have
you
12
get
subscribers,
big
Michael.
later and it's all Americans and they're confused, it's your fault. 250
Did they translate
millilitres
themselves?
of canola or vegetable oil, 4 large eggs, room temperature, separated, 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of distilled white vinegar, wherever that is, red
white
food
vinegar.
colouring, and 240 millilitres of buttermilk.
Buttermilk.
So first you're going to need to grease 2 9-inch cake tins and preheat the oven to 180 degrees.
We've
Or-
done both of those.
As Michael is so considerate, that is 350 Fahrenheit. Thank you, Michael. We are going to get the flour.
Can I be the sexy assistant?
Okay, if you want. You can put the baking soda.
Is this it?
Yes, that's baking
We're not
soda.
allowed to say naughty words here.
Yeah, you can.
Oh,
you
yeah.
did so much on the
I
last video, I'm just
know.
giving up.
You have.
And the
you are
cocoa
a terrible
powder.
habitual swearer.
I know, it's a...
I was about to say we're going to get demonetised by YouTube.
And the salt.
Oh,
This is
I
really
feel
nice
so
tea, by the way.
privileged.
And then we whisk it.
So like
Funnily enough.
on that.
Yeah,
Well, yeah, but like faster.
Is this sufficiently whisked?
I do it really
That
fast.
is whisk like that, yeah. Yeah, go on, go on, go on.
Someone can't do the Macarena.
Shut
That's absurd, everyone can do them all. This recipe is not mine. This recipe is from Sally's Baking Addiction. Please do not sue me because I have like £4.63.
Give Sally the appropriate credit she deserves.
There's a ghost inside the water, there's a skeleton in the sugar, and it's spooky scary today on Halloween.
Okay, now we're going to put that aside and we're going to put the butter, which is unsalted by the way, and is also softened.
Well, you said it earlier.
Soften the butter. Slom?
Is this the sugar?
No, yes,
Oh, no, I
that's the
shouldn't have
sugar.
thought
We go everywhere.
that. There's going to be a lot of spilling.
Ah! So we're going to put the mixture
In a
in
more suitably sized bowl.
a big bowl since Ella's absolutely incompetent.
Ella, you.
I'm so sorry, Michael. Okay, now we're going to add the 240 millilitres of vegetable oil, but
pour that oil.
slowly.
Oh, sorry.
Ella, I remember what you did last time.
Did you
I
dump it
poured it all
all
in.
in? Oh
So I don't know how much of that you guys caught because the camera turned off. We added the oil, the egg yolks, the vanilla extract and the vinegar, and now we're beating it on a high speed for 2 minutes. We're going to gradually alternate adding the buttermilk and the dry ingredients that we mixed together before. So this is why I have 2 people here and not because I like either of you. So one person's going to add the buttermilk, one person's going to add the dry ingredients and one person's going to whisk it.
That's so mental.
We're
Real
going to
compliment now.
just put a bit of food colouring in. I don't know how much. It's supposed to be 1 to 2 teaspoons,
Squeeze it
but it's
in.
like
Right.
just whatever in it.
Oops.
Go, go, go.
Ooh.
Now I'm going to scrape that down and mix it in with a
Oh.
bit of a spatula.
No, not so much.
Spatulas.
That looks so fit though.
It's not really red. It's kind of pink.
Pinky brown.
Yeah, but we don't want it to taste like food colouring, and also
Can I taste the food colouring?
No, it tastes disgusting.
Please.
Why would you do that?
Just to check.
No, we have really good restaurants, and in terms of bars, we have the Otto Lounge, which serves good food, and Paradox, which got done for underage drinkings.
Now we're gonna get the egg whites and vigorously whisk or beat them until fluffy peaks form, and I'm ignoring Michael.
Where's my
What
lid?
is a fluffy peak, pray tell?
Okay, that should do it. It's supposed to be fluffy peaks.
Those are fluffy enough.
So now
Oh,
we're
you know.
folding it into the stuff, the cake batter that we made before. Oh, look at that, it's just woo!
Ooh.
Oh, love it.
There we go. We're going to put it in the cake tins.
Please find it. Pipe it in. Like you know the milk food.
What the hell?
It's
Oh,
kneeling
sure.
in the bathtub.
Oh my god.
Can I read it out?
Not in the video! Now we're going to put it in the oven for half an hour once Elle and Michael have stopped clowning.
That's so good.
So yeah, it's going in the oven for half an hour and there are two absolute fools in my kitchen.
You love us though.
Oh, you love it.
And yeah, so I will see you guys when the cake comes out.